Hello, welcome to the Rwanda Math Olympiad channel. In this short session, I'll be showing solution to week 1 problem of the week. And it's an interesting problem. I hope you all try to approach it. It says a crime is committed during the auto and there are 4 witnesses. The witnesses are logicians and make the following statements. And you are given these 4 statements. The first statement is exactly one of the witnesses are liar. The second statement is exactly 2 of the witnesses are liar. And then the third statement is exactly 3 of the witnesses are liar. And the fourth statement is exactly 4 of the witnesses are liar. So I'm going to try and explain it in a more simple way. I hope probably you all understand it. So because we've just been using simple logic in order to solve this problem. We're just going to make quick observations. The first is that all these 4 statements cannot be true at the same time. Like we can't have all 4 statements to be true. Because let's say witness 1 says exactly one of the witnesses are liar. If this statement is true, then it means that these ones are false. Because suppose we have, let's say, 4 witnesses. So you have witness 1, witness 2, witness 3, and 4. So if this one says exactly one of us is a liar, so if you say this is true, if you say that this is speaking the truth, then the remaining statements will be false, because the other one will be saying exactly 2 of us is a liar, and exactly 3 of us is a liar, and exactly 4 of us is a liar. So in this sense, we are like fixing this one to be true. So if you fix this statement to be true, then this will result the remaining one to be considered as false. And similarly, we can see that in either case, we need at least one statement to be false. So if you have one statement to be false, then we can't have all the statements to be true at the same time. So that's the first point to note. The second point to note is that we can't have all the four statements to be false. The first is that to be true, and the second is to be false. And I'm just going to quickly explain this point also. We can't have all the 4 statements to be true, because let's say if this, we can't have all the 4 statements to be false. Yeah, to be false. So let's say if this statement is false, so you are saying exactly one of the witnesses are liar. You are saying, no, this is not true. Okay? So you are saying this statement is false. You're saying this statement is false. And then also this is false. So witness one says exactly 2 of the witnesses are liars. So this is also false, and this is false. Now, on this 4th statement, you are saying exactly 4 of the witnesses are liars. We see that we already have 4 people right here. So like 4 statements. So if you say exactly 4 of the witnesses are liars, then this is true, because you have 4 people. So the first one is false. The first statement is false, 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 false. So like this last statement, because you already have exactly 4 people, so this last statement should be true. So we can see that in this case, the 4 statements cannot be also false. So now we are going to use these 2 observations to finish the problem. So Using the fact that we can't have false statements to be true and we can't have the false statements to be false, this means that we have exactly 3 liars. Exactly 3 liars. Yeah, this is a solution to the problem, because let's say as I gave an example earlier on the first case, if you have this statement to be true, then you need all these to be liars. I mean to be false, because you already considered this one to be true. So like, let's just take a random here in this case. We don't know the liar and the person who is speaking the truth. So, but we are just considering the statements to be true or false. So let's say let's consider this statement. Exactly one of the witnesses are liar. So let's say like witness 2 is a liar. So since we know that exactly 1 is a liar, so we can't have a liar again. So we need these to be not liars. Let me say not liars, not liars, not liars. So that's why we have number of liars. Witnesses are exactly 3 liars. So similarly, we can use the same argument to any person. If you say like witness 3 is a liar, so the remaining ones should not be liars, because you have exactly 1 of the witnesses. We don't know which one, but we are just assuming this statement is true. So if this statement is true, then you can't have another true statement. So we have exactly 3 liars. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Please click the subscribe button and share the video and also like it. Hope to see you soon with some new video content about Olympiad mathematics. Thank you very much.